Hello all my creative friends, thank you still in this channel. Today I will show you how to make rose flower. This flower from organza ribbon, and I hope you like and enjoy this video. And don't forget to press the all button and put like, subscribe and comment this channel. And now let's prepare the material that we will use the roses. The materials are ribbon, organza ribbon, flannel, lighter, scissors, pliers, thread and needle, wire, pearl, glue and glue gun. The first step, you take a ribbon, organza ribbon, and you cut it according to our size. This is 2.5 centimeter, the width, and the length 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. Take a needle and thread. And you fold the edge of the ribbon to form a triangle like this, and you start sewing. This is, you fold, it's about 2 centimeter, and you form triangle like this. Again, you fold, you give limit of about 2 centimeter, this one, and you form triangle like this, and you start sewing. Like this until the end of the ribbon, and like this all. And now you take the wire and you cut the wire with the pliers like this. You take a pearl, you insert like this, and you twist like this. Okay, you take a glue and put the pearl here and give glue, and you roll, you're rolling up like this to form the rose. Again, you rolling up, keep rolling up. give glue. Until this. You take a flannel and you cut the flannel like this. And give the glue and you put behind the flower, and the rose flower has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.